Hello, I'm Alessandro, and today I'm so happy because I just got the DJI MINI 3 Pro. This is my first drone, my first time I got a drone, and also it will be my first flight. So I have experience flying because I'm a pilot. I know how to fly, but I don't really know how to fly drones. So I'm just gonna use maybe my experience flying to see if it really works. I'm gonna be flying here in Macau. It's not the best day, but I think I can get some footage out of it. And I'm so excited. I always wanted to have a drone, and I think this is the right one with all the things this little drone can offer. So let's go. So I just finished my flight. I flew around 20 minutes and the thing still has 50% battery, which is kind of crazy because I got all the footage I wanted. It's way more than enough for me. And the drone is really smooth to fly. It feels so great. It's just a joy to do it. I never flew drones before and it just feels great to fly. It's just so light and compact. And it doesn't give you any drone anxiety. Like, nobody will notice you. It's so quiet. And well, the video quality, I think you watch it by yourself. It's great. Today is not the perfect condition. It's a lot of haze, so the contrast won't be great. But that won't be related to the drone. That will be related more to the conditions here. I love the vertical mode. I have to say, it's a game changer, especially when you are shooting maybe for social media, for TikTok Reels, even for stories that you want just a 10-second clips to highlight something very important where you are traveling or maybe where you live. And I cannot wait to go to new places, explore, and try different footage and clips for my Instagram and maybe for TikTok as well. So thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful to you. I hope you like it. And well, hope to see you in the next one.